So today we will walk through Java 8. What is Java 8 basically? In Java 8 we have some features. These are the features that we have to go through when we are studying Java 8. But question arises, what is Java 8 basically? Java 8 is the version of Java which is JDK 1.8. You can say JDK 1.8 or you can say Java 8. If there is a JDK 1.2, then we can say that that's a Java 2. If there is a version JDK 1.5 of Java from the Java people Sun Microsystem, then we can say that is the Java 5. We can say if there is a version Java JDK 1.7, then we can call that JDK 1.7 as Java 7. Exactly like that, we have version of Java which is JDK 1.8. So we are calling that version Java 8. Now, when we are talking about Java 8 or JDK 1.8, when this version got released, there are going to be some features, some new things inside that version of Java, like new classes can be get introduced, new interface can be get introduced. When there is a new classes, new interface, then there is going to be new methods inside those classes, inside those interfaces. It is same like collection framework. Why collection framework got introduced? If I am going to ask you, then you are going to say that we have large problem of working with elements in the array. If you want to store number of elements, number of datas, number of values, then you have to use the array. In array, there are several problems that is not dynamic in nature. You have to define the length of the array, number of element you are going to add. You have to define that first. In the case you are creating the array, then you are going to add the values inside that array. If you want to extract the value from the array, then you have to iterate all the element. You cannot just extract a particular element from a particular index of array. That's why, and there are a lot of other problems in array. That's why we got the classes of collection framework. With collection framework, there are a lot of new interface got introduced. There are a lot of classes got introduced that are implementing those interfaces. Inside those classes, we got a lot of methods to work with element. Exactly like that, we have several problems when we are working with Java. So we got new interfaces, new classes, new methods, and lot of other things. And those all are got introduced in a collection, or you can say in a bundle. And when they got introduced as Java 8 features. So those new interfaces, you can understand it, those new classes, new methods, and lot of other things like optional classes, stream, these are the features got introduced with the JDK 1.8. In JDK 1.8, there are a lot of features, means lot of interface classes, methods, and other things to work with Java coding, Java programming. So we are calling these new things that got introduced in JDK 1.8 or Java 8 as a features of Java 8. So Java 8 releases comes with many new features as listed. So these are the features that we are going to cover in this playlist, in this tutorial of Java 8. By the way, this is the PDF that you can access in the description. We are going to walk through this PDF. We have a lot of exercises in this PDF, as you can see. We are going to do all the exercises. We are going to cover interview question. There is lot of interview question included in this PDF. So basically we are going to walk through this PDF. You can access this PDF from the description. That is going to be well enough to learn Java 8 or features that comes with JDK 1.8 or Java 8, you can say. So what are the features? Java 8. Java 8 release comes with many new features as listed, like default method in interface, static method in interface, lambda expression, method references, functional interface, functional programming, stream API, Joda API, optional classes, and a lot of other features. So I rated this as miscellaneous features. So we are going to cover all these features one by one. So stay tuned. For next video, we are going to see default method in interface from our next video. So stay tuned.